Hi, welcome to the Edpuzzle for today. Today is, I'm going to put the date on here. Oh, I can't. Today the date is that we're going to be doing this is 5/19. So it's the 5/19 Edpuzzle is what this is called, adding percents to totals. So Edpuzzle, adding percents to totals. I'm not going to add all that or add it in addition to that. So this first page just goes over some of the formulas to solve some of the problems. Take a moment to read them, and then I'm going to ask you some questions. All right, so we're going to go on to the next page. So we've got some problems here. We've got 3 on this page. We've got 2 on this page, and and we've got 3 on this page. All right, so we are going to go through these. I'm going to ask you some questions. You're not doing these on ClassKick. I'm not assigning it to ClassKick. You are just answering the questions in the Edpuzzle. It is purely an Edpuzzle assignment. I am looking at the percent of correct answers. So please be careful and actually work things out. Get a piece of paper and write things down if you want to. All right, Kim ate 5 pounds of chicken nuggets, which are really not chicken, right? Before eating the chicken nuggets, Kim weighed 132 pounds. What percent increase in weight did Kim have? So I'm going to go ahead and make my model, also known as a diagram. So we're making a model or a diagram. 0%, 100% on this side, and it starts with 0. I'm going to quickly copy it so that I don't have to draw it every time. All right, so Kim ate 5 pounds of chicken nuggets. I'm going to go ahead and circle my things here. Go ahead and solve this, and I'm going to ask you some questions. All right, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and solve it with you so you can see, confirm your thinking or see where your thinking needed to change. So here I have a situation where he ate 5 pounds of chicken nuggets. Before eating the nuggets, he weighed 132 pounds. So he weighed 132 pounds. He ate 5 pounds worth of chicken nuggets. So now he weighs 137 pounds. We want to know what percent increase in weight did Kim have. So we are missing the percent. And to find the percent, we take the part that's related to the percent. So are we going to take the part, the 132, or are we going to take the 5? We're going to take the 5. So we're going to take 5 and divide it by 137. And when I do that, here's my calculator. 5 divided by 137, it equals 0.036. 0.036. So we're going to do the percent. What we do is we take that number and we multiply it by 100, which means we move the decimal point over 2 places. And we could either say that the percent increase was 3.6%, but I've been telling you to round up, so it's 4%. 4% increase. So I showed the work. Now I need to answer the question. I have the, I also have the other part, or the model. Kim, capitalize, Kim had a 4% weight increase. The next one, go ahead and solve it and answer the questions that I have for you. I don't want that. I wanted this. Oh my gosh, I can't remember what I'm doing. I'm obviously very tired. Okay, Kepka deposited $3,020 into a bank account that has 2.6% per year interest. What will the total be in her bank account after a full year if she does not make any deposits or withdrawals? Okay, so she has put in $3,020 and she has 2.6% interest for keeping her money in there. Okay, do some rethinking, answer the questions. All right, with this, what we do is we want to know what 2.6% times $3,020, because we want to know 2.6% of $3,020. That's going to give us our monetary tax, or not tax, but in interest. I don't want that calculator. I want this calculator. I just pulled my phone up. Okay, so 2.6 as a decimal is actually 0.026. So 0.026 times 3020 equals 78.52. So the bank is going to pay her $78.52 to keep her money in there for the full year. 78.52. So the question is, what will the total be in her bank account after the full year? So we are going to take the $3,020, add it to the $78.52 to find out what she now has in her bank account. She has $3,098.52 in her bank account. In, oh my goodness, in her bank account after the year. Okay, let's go to the next page. Here we got David wants to sell a new baseball. Before tax, the price was $5.75. In his state, tax is 3.2%. What will David pay at the register for the baseball? All right, so the price is $5.75. The tax rate is $3, or so not $3, 3.2%. So we need to find out what 3.2%, what is 3.2% of $5.75? That's what we're trying to find at this point. I don't want to have that in no border. So we have to convert our percent into a decimal, which means we move we divide it by 100. So we move the decimal point over 2 places. And we are going to multiply 0.032 because the word of means to multiply. I'm not crossing that out. I'm turning it into a multiplication symbol. And we're going to multiply it by 575. So when David goes up to the cash register, David is going to have to pay some extra money. And what is that extra money? Yep, so we're going to do 0.032 times 5.75. So David is going to have to pay an extra, the calculator says 0.184. That rounds to 18 cents. David's going to have to pay an extra 18 cents. The question is, what will David pay at the register for the baseball? So we need to take the 575 and add it to the 18 cents. And what does that make it? So 575 plus 0.18 equals $5.93. So $5.93 is what David will pay at the register. Okay, next one. Sienna wants a new pair of Jordans that cost $175. They are on sale for 13% off. How much is the discount? So there's one question. And how much will she pay after the discount? There's a second question. Okay, so we got our model. And the original cost is $175. But there is a 13% off discount. And we want to know how much is the discount. And then we want to know how much she's going to pay after the discount. So we want to know what the final price is. Now, there's two ways we can do this. I've shown you a slightly different way. So I'm going to show you both ways on this. Okay, so we want to find out what 13% of 175 is. So 13% is 0.13 times 175. All right, so 13 times 0.13 times 175 equals 2275. So the discount is 2275. But in this case, that's the discount, not what we're adding on. So this is the discount. And I did set this up wrong, or not wrong, but just differently. So I will definitely go over the second way to do this. So in this case, we're going to subtract. 175 was the original number. That's where I goofed up on this, but it still works out. We're going to subtract the discount to get the total. So if we subtract the 175, it ends up being, that's not right. Let's see, 175 subtract 22.75 is $152.25. So 152.75. Okay, but this is how I showed you how to do these before. Okay, so we've got, this isn't a tax problem. This isn't adding on. And I set this up as if we were adding it on, but we're not adding on anything. We have the original number here, which is 175. We have 13% off. So this is our discount. We are missing the part. When we are trying to find the part, we take the percent, so 0.13, and we multiply it by 175, the original number. Remember, we have, when the part is missing, we have the percent times the original number. So it's the same thing. It's the percent times the original number. And we end up with 2275. So 2275 is our discount. That's our discount. But we want to know how much the discount is. So we would say the discount, because there are two questions here. Discount is 22.75. And the second part of the question is how much will she pay after? So this is where we take the 175 and we subtract the discount. And what do you get? Yeah, so what we get is 175 minus 22.75 is 152.25. Sorry, 152. This should be 25. I really must be tired. She will pay 152.25. And I got 25 here, but I wrote 75 because my brain is definitely tired. I'm done for the day. 25. All right, so I've got the model. This is the one I really want you to focus on, this one here, because we were not adding on, and I started this one as if we were adding on, but we're actually subtracting because it's a discount, not tax. Okay, Asael found a PC on sale that he wanted to buy. It was $800, $862.32 after the discount of 32%. Okay, are we talking about taxes or interest or adding anything on, tips or anything? No. So we're going to do the old model. Starts out the same as all of them. And we have the number 862.32 and we have 32%. So it was $862.32 after the discount. So here we have the discount was 32%. It cost $862.32 after the discount was taken off. And we want to know the original number. When we're looking for the original number, we take the part and I really should go home. But I can't because I got to get this ready for tomorrow. We take the part, which is $862.32, and we divide it by the percent. And that's going to give us our original number. So 800, let me clear, $862.32 divided by 0.32 equals, let me try that again because that's not right. $862.32 divided by 0.32 equals 2,694. This doesn't feel right. I'm going to do it backwards and see what happens. And 75 cents. Okay, so 2,000. So I'm going to do it backwards and see if I get that portion. Okay, so 800, I'm going to do it backwards. 0.32 times 2694.75 equals 862.32. All right. I'm going to have to trust the math on this one. Okay, so that one just doesn't feel right to me. 32%, which means this is, oh, I know what it is. I figured it out. That's how much he paid. Derp, oh my gosh. This one's a mess. That's okay. Here's my mistake. Here's what I did wrong. I was using the percent that goes with the discount with the price he paid. You can't do that. You have to use the percent that he paid with the amount he paid. Or you can use the percent, let me erase this, the percent of the discount to find out. Oh my gosh, what a mess. Okay, so we are trying to find the original number, but what we have to do, I'm sorry, is 32% plus what equals 100%. So we can figure that out by saying 100 minus 32, which is 68. So we have to take 68% of the price that he paid. This isn't the discount. This was that he paid. He paid 68%. 32% was the discount. Oh my gosh. I'm feeling quite weird, but I'm not starting this video over because I'm too tired to start over. And I'm already, 20 minutes into it. So we have 0.6, let me try it again, $862.32 divided by 0.68. When I do that on a calculator, 862.32 divided by 0.68 equals, that's more like it, $1,268.12. So the original price for this one, was $1,268.12. All right, not many questions on that one because I goofed up so badly on it. And that was the last one.